Hey guys, my name is Kendall and today I'm going to show you how to use the new Chi Spin and Curl. It's really easy to use. It shows you which side to put up against your head, and the new front directional buttons allow for easier styling. Just grab a 1-inch strand of hair and place it in between the barrel. Once the hair is in place, you can press the button to make the curl spin in the direction that you want. Hold down the button until your hair is in the chamber and then release the button. Generally, you curl away from your face unless you're doing a beach wave, then I like to alternate my curls. Spin and curl is a timer that will beep once the curl is ready to be released. I always go for the 15-second setting, but you can choose a longer setting if you want a more defined curl. If you're in a hurry, don't worry, you can release your hair whenever you want. Something I find really unique about the curling tool is the fact that it applies heat evenly across your hair. Unlike other curling irons where you clamp your hair at the end, which is the weakest and most brittle part of your hair, the Spin and Curl applies heat thoroughly along the hair. Another feature I love about the Chi Spin and Curl is its Anti-Tangle Feature. Watch what happens when I try to put in too much hair. The curler will start to beep and you can easily release the hair that's in there. To stop the beeping, just press and hold on the power button and you're ready to start curling again. Plus, it's super safe to use. You can touch it all over the outside and it can't ever burn your skin. I love this tool because your hair won't ever get stuck. And the open chamber makes me feel like if there ever was a problem, I could easily pull my hair out. Your hair's not stuck in an enclosed place. Now that I'm done curling my whole head, we're gonna go ahead and just finger comb out some of these curls just to break them up and give it a more natural beachy look. I always use the Chi Silk Infusion. I use this before I do my hair and also afterwards to break up the curls a little bit. So just go in and use my fingers to carefully break up these curls. All done. As you can see, I love this tool and I use it all the time, so I want to make sure that it's clean. To clean it is super easy. So for the outside, we're just going to take a damp washcloth and just wipe off the outside. And easy as that, we're all done. To remove any buildup from your hairspray or any other of your hair products, your Chi Spin and Curl comes with an insert to clean the inside of the tool. So you're just going to insert it inside the barrel, and the Spin and Curl is going to recognize that you've inserted the cleaning device. Press the spinning button and it will clean itself just like that.
The Beachwaver S1 is a ceramic curling iron that will protect your hair. It's a 5.5-inch long barrel with custom heaters, and it also has a 1-inch width. There's arrow buttons that control the rotation of the curling iron. There's also a home button that sends the clamp back to the starting position to make it easy to curl each section. You start by turning it on and selecting your temperature. There's a digital temperature clock that ranges from 290 to 410 degrees. There's a fast, slow button that actually controls the speed of the rotation. So if you have shorter hair or layers, or if it's your first time using it, you want to select slow. And then if you have longer hair, you just switch it to fast. It speeds up the rotation. Press home to return the clamp to the starting position. And then you just want to clamp on the end and then press the arrow. When you take your finger off the arrow, it stops rotating. So you can always just lightly tap it, hold it for 3 to 4 seconds, and then open up the clamp, slide the curl out, and you get a gorgeous beachy wave every time. So I'm just going to run my fingers through these curls, open it up a little bit, and then also just kind of brush it through just to give it a really soft, natural feel.
I live in Venice Beach, where everyone is always trying to achieve the perfect, effortless, beachy looking waves. I wanted a look that could take me from the beach to the barbecue and beyond. I love the Whirl Trio because even though I have a lot of hair, I can style it fast and I can change up my look every day.
Vacation-inspired waves are always in style. The key to this look is texture and the right curling wand. To create this style, we used the Whirl Trio Interchangeable wand with the 1-inch straight barrel. Because we wanted India's hair to look like she just walked off the beach, we left the ends unstyled, meaning we did not need to use the heat-resistant glove.
Spritz dry detangled hair with a prep spray. For extra volume, quickly run over the hair with a blow dryer on a low heat setting. Section hair from ear to ear. Twist and clip the top section out of the way. Start with a 2-inch by 2-inch section of hair and wrap it around the wand, away from the face. Hold the ends off the barrel for a few seconds, then release. Leaving the ends unstyled will give you a more natural, beachy look. Now take a 1-inch by 1-inch section next to the first section, wrap it around the wand, but this time wrap it towards the face. Continue styling by alternating section sizes and wrap direction. This will give your look more body and natural looking texture. Repeat this process on the top section. When hair is fully styled, apply a small amount of texturizing cream. Run fingers through the hair to break up the curls for the perfect straight off the beach finish.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get these gorgeous curls using the Kiss Instawave. If you're like me, you don't like spending the time or the money recreating those salon-style curls, but the Kiss Instawave makes it a lot easier. Before we get started, I'm going to show you a little bit how this Instawave works. First of all, there's a high and a low function. Today we're going to be using the high function because I want a tighter curl. When this red light turns blue, you're ready to go. You can also control which way you want your curls with this arrow right here. Alright, so we're going to start by sectioning off the hair, just from top to bottom, nothing fancy. And then you hold the Instawave vertically, tilt it towards your head slightly, grabbing a 1 to 2 inch section. For an outer curl, we're going to place the hair in front of the barrel. You're going to press the outer button until your hair is fully wrapped around the barrel. After about 8 to 10 seconds, depending on how tight you want your curl, you pull it straight down. Look how fabulous. For the next section, I'm going to curl my hair in the opposite direction, creating an inner curl. So I'm going to place my hair behind the barrel and press the inner button. Waiting for it to wrap completely around the barrel. Once you wait about 8 seconds, pull it straight down. Wow. Now that I'm done with the bottom layer, I'm just going to pin it back to make sure it doesn't get mixed up. And then go ahead and pull the top layer down. Okay, I'm going to start curling the top section using the same techniques as before, alternating inner and outer curls. On the front, make sure you curl it outwards, away from your face. After about 8 seconds, pull straight down, keeping the curl intact. Wow, how easy. It picks up and wraps your hair around the barrel with just a push of a button. Once you get comfortable enough, you could use it with one hand. Look what I was able to create without going to a salon. You know what that means? No more waiting to do my hair for special occasions. The Instawave makes it super fast, super fun, and super easy.
Ready for a whole new spin on curls? This revolutionary new curling iron from CONAIR features a unique auto-rotating clamp. It actually turns at the touch of a button. It makes silky, smooth curls so easy. Start with clean, dry hair and press the back to center button to make sure the clamp is in the starting position. Then open the clamp. Starting towards the ends of the hair, place a 1 to 2 inch section between the base of the barrel and the clamp. Then close the clamp. You control the rotation with the touch of a button. To create curls on the right side of your head, press the right rotation button. Hold the button down and the clamp will rotate, automatically wrapping hair around the barrel. Release the rotation button and the clamp will stop turning. Hold the iron in place for 5 to 10 seconds, then open the clamp and gently slide the iron out. Let your curl cool to lock in longer lasting curls. Ready for more? Let's do a curl on the left side now. Press the back to center button to bring the clamp back to the starting position. Open it up. Start towards the ends again and place a section of hair between the base of the barrel and the clamp. This time, press the left rotation button. Do just a few to mix up a straight style, or spin up a whole head full of smooth, shiny, silky curls. Once your curls have cooled, simply run your fingers through hair for a naturally sexy look. Get gorgeous and get there faster. The curl innovation makes it absolutely effortless.